Hey guys, Ross here from Consolidata, and I just want to quickly share with you just a few updates that we've made to Consolidata. They're not huge updates, but our bigger updates are coming from the middle to the end of this month, but I still want to share them with you. So, first things first, you'll notice that this page has undergone an overhaul. It's updated the UX of it, and with that said, I wanted to bring this up because at the top here, there used to be two buttons, one that said templates and ones that said dashboards. We've moved those over here. So now if you want to get to the templates page, you can click on this. And if you want to get to the dashboards page, you can click on this. Also, it's probably pretty obvious to you, but I'll show you anyways, that this little circle here, this is the select button. So when you click on this, I know that maybe it seemed like too obvious of a thing, but that's just so you guys know what this is. And then in your little gear wheel here, this is where you can click on this to create either edit a name or to create a template, etc. Okay, now I want to show you one other change that we had. Let's go into a dashboard like this that has these bars. And we're making some UI changes to this bar chart, just so you know. You're going to have more control over how the date access looks and flipping these so that way you're not reading them like this. That's something we're actively working on now. But you'll notice if you click on this little gear wheel here, you go under chart options. You have a few more things here. You can turn on and off the grid. Um, you can flip it sideways now, which looks really terrible because the dates are still displayed sideways. But also you can add a radius to it. So you can make them not just, straight up box corner white, you can round them off. And then now you can also change the colors of this radius like this. So nice little option there, just to give you a couple more edits for the UI. Right now we're working on changing out some of these so that you can do that, and also coming up with a static bar chart. That way your intervals don't affect the bar chart. Like right now, each one of these bars represents whatever interval. So like right now it's set to 1 day. So these are all going to represent 1 day intervals, each one of these. But if we wanted to, what we're going to do is we're going to have a bar chart that, let's say you want to put leads and sales and so forth, and you want each bar to not represent a date, but you want it to represent an actual attribute. Then what you'll do is you'll be able to compare them side by side, and as you change the date, the bars will just get bigger rather than wider. Right now, you can add multiple attributes to a bar chart, but people have been requesting static bar charts, so we're going to go ahead and add that. Just trying to think here. Outside of that, for updates, my brain can't think of anything else that would be important to make you aware of. So hopefully you guys have enjoyed the changes that we've had. We are going to be really, really pushing a lot of UI updates here to this editor over this next week, as well as we have our GMP heat map coming and a couple more integrations on the way. So stay tuned. Appreciate you guys. Have a wonderful day.